And once the beeping stops and your backup power runs normally again, you'll know the issue has been resolved. A continuous alarm from an APC UPS is not random, it's a warning designed to protect your equipment and data. In most cases, non-stop beeping means the battery is critically low, often below 2%, or the battery has reached the end of its lifespan. APC UPS batteries usually last around 3 to 5 years, and an aging battery is one of the most common reasons for constant alarms. Overloading the UPS with too many devices or running on battery power during an outage can also trigger continuous beeping. If the alarm continues, start by checking the UPS display or software for an error message. Make sure the unit is plugged into a working outlet and that all connected devices are securely seated. If the UPS is overloaded, disconnect non-essential equipment until the load is within safe limits. If the battery fails a self-test or is more than a few years old, replacing it is the best solution. After replacing the battery, fully charge the UPS and allow it to run with a moderate load to recalibrate accurate runtime readings. You can also perform a reset by disconnecting the load, unplugging the UPS, disconnecting the battery, holding the power button for 5 seconds, and reconnecting everything. As a temporary fix, you can mute the alarm using the front panel controls or APC management software, but this should never replace proper troubleshooting. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we explained why an APC battery backup keeps beeping and how to fix it safely. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy power and tech fixes.